this looks hella moody. So because I'm ADHD, I am incredibly bad at remembering to do things. And also because I am out of my medication, because there's a fucking Adderall shortage, I am even worse at remembering to do things. So doing this daily gratitude thing has been definitely a challenge in my remembrance skills. But yeah, I don't know. Today it's raining, and you can I'm sure you can hear it. But today it's raining, and I guess I'm grateful for the rain. And I'm in my mom's car right now, so I'm also grateful for the fact that she lets me use her car so frequently. Yeah, no, I work really far away from where I live, and so using my mom's car is like just really helpful. You know, it takes 20 minutes to get there instead of an hour. And plus I work in film, so having a car makes my job a lot easier. Oh God. A guy just walked by. Can you see him? There he is in the very background, right there. But yeah, I don't know. I really enjoy just kind of sitting in the car when it rains. I did this a lot during COVID. I don't know, it's really peaceful just listening to the sound of the rain, especially when it's kind of the sun is starting to set. It's kind of got that like rainforesty, not rainforest, but like rain tree vibe. I don't know if that makes any sense. Yeah. That's what I'm grateful for today. I'm grateful for the rain, and I'm grateful for the car. But yeah. I will talk to you guys tomorrow, theoretically. Bye.